Oh, hey Murphy. Don't get too close. Ow! Why'd you hit your paw with me? Why? I thought you loved me. I love you. Okay, that was weird. Anyway, this was the ship I was fighting last time. It's got above secondary reach, a lot of guns, but how's armor? Armor is not that. I guess the armor's alright. You got hit from a sky shot. Republic. What's the Brawl? What is it? Okay, is it 1v1? I think it might be 1v1. The winnings are alright. Alright. North Carolina, Tennessee. We got 2 Tennessees. Also got the most annoying ship in the game, the Atlanta. I freaking hate those things, but like, I've never played in it. Like, I played in a Dallas before, and I guess you could sort of say it's like an Atlanta, but Atlanta's got like a bunch more guns, and it's just really annoying. Just for other people, it's so funny just watching it, because I always laugh when I'm playing with the Dallas. Oh gosh, I can spot it. Because I'm always like lighting people on fire, but I haven't played with the cruiser in forever. Okay, there's gonna be some ships over here. Oh, they're all over here. Oh goodness, I'm gonna be taking all the fire, bro. Oh, their destroyer just popped up immediately. I'm backing up. I hit almost 12k on that Pensacola right off the bat. Their battleships are going to be popping up over here, so we're going to want to be angled. Just for some reason in North Carolina, it's just really weird. I want to be angled. Those will do something. 3k, okay, it's not bad for one shell. They're just sitting over the island. I can't shoot for a second. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we're gonna want to back up. Thanks for stopping me. Oh no, some of those shells are gonna hit me. Ooh. One of them are shot it off. Wow. Those 2 bullets look beautiful. Woo! Let's go. At least 14 or 15k right there. Oh, he wants revenge. He might get it, honestly. Pensacola should be going down. There's no way he survives. A Tennessee and a North Carolina. Tennessee got him. Nice. Those are looking like... That was a battleship shell. So there's a battleship somewhere out here. It's the other... It's the North Carolina. I haven't detected them yet at all yet. Alright, I've done this before. I could probably do it again. Found you. I was gonna hit him in the smoke, but I couldn't see where he was. Oh! Absolutely deleted! Woohoo! Why'd I say that? Thank you. Oh man, that was so satisfying. An absolute beautiful shot. Alright, we need to capture these points. We're at 59,000 damage. Oh, the American camo. Honestly, I'm gonna do an independence video. I love doing those. We're the American camo. You're gonna back up. Yeah, I was expecting you to back up. Oh shiz, I forgot I'm broadside towards him. This is gonna hurt, brace. Put it on the heel. I know where the Citadel is on this sucker. Oh my goodness, see you later.
5 minutes.
Woo! Yeah, that's gonna hurt. Nice.
Our team has taken the lead.
Popping off, let's go. Rest in peace, Atlanta.
Returning to ship.
We'll get him back for you. Alright, those look good. Yeah, those are looking real good. Okay, I think 8K, 7K, I believe. Wasn't bad. He's gonna go broadside, wait for it. Come on, I'm waiting for it. Come on, I'm waiting for it. Holy shit, superstructure for right now. Okay. At least 8 or 9K right there. We got 106,000 damage too. Oh, now he wants me. Get some, go get some. He's eating one. Taking on the belt. Pow. Let's go! I totally stole that one, but let's go. That I'm number one. Let's go. That Fiji did not last long. And I killed him earlier. Woo, doggy! Let's go. My headset sounds quieter. Hold on. That over there. Alright, let's do this. Oh my gosh. There we go. Sorry, I'm a busy man.
Enemy force detected.
Alright, let's go. I haven't looked. Iowa, Kansas, Zatine, Champaign, Iowa. Okay, we got this. We got this.
Affirmative.
Doing laundry while I play World of Warships. That's smart. What am I doing? Alright, now no turning back. Let's do this. We got a Kansas. Come on, hit him. Okay, I know where to aim next time. Oh my gosh. It's gonna stay like that for a hot second. Nope, he's gone. He's gone too.
Concentrate fire.
So funny they don't know some outside.
Concentrate fire.
Take a shot at him. Ooh. 7K, let's go. I'll take the shots, it's fine. Yeah, you better get in around.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Oh my gosh. I'm juking him.
The ship is on fire! Attention, reporting the target position. All stations, concentrate.
Get the enemy right in front of me.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Come on. Ooh, beautiful. Back up, back up, back up. Oh my gosh, he's low as heck. Come on, we gotta kill him. He's just sitting there. Okay, yeah, now he knows to back up.
Problem solved, sir.
Ow. Ow, 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 ow. The heck?
The ship is on fire.
Ooh. Torps. He's gonna get away. Gosh dang it. Forward. I should torpedoes come through here. Everyone's focusing me right now. They know I'm back. Back in the game. Everything was fine with that Shields on 24, and now he's back, and now he's ruining everything. Oh yeah, see you later. Come on, kill him. Oh my gosh. Come on, team, where are you? Come on, fam. Uh-oh. That's not good. I'm a dead man. Mistakes were made.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Got it.
Concentrate fire.
Yeah, I see him.
Problem solved, sir.
Holy crap, we were popping off.
Spotter airborne. All stations.
No!
The designated target.
I was 0.1 seconds away. No. I was
All
point.
stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
Again. It happened again. Alright, let's see this team. And see ya. Oh wait, no. We just lost and I just realized that. No. Ugh. Oh gosh. Dang it. Gosh, friggin' dang it. That's not nice at all. I got an invite. Okay. Yeah, join the fleet. SFMF. What do we got? Member rank. Oh, there's ranks. Look at my win rate, 55%. Eat that, boys. Come on. Midshipman. I'm a midshipman, okay. You're gonna want to put me on the top, buddy. Oil? What the heck is oil? In service 1 minute. That's about to go up. Boy, you have no clue what you just signed me up for.